Okay, this is Mrs. Carreri, and I am trying to help students learn how to use that web-based graphing calculator that will help you with, I believe it was Alex section 1.8. So what you're going to do, and I'm working on my iPad with the keyboard, so that's identical to the same struggles or challenges or opportunities that you will face on your iPad. So you will go to www, and it's geometry and algebra stuff pushed together, right? So geogebra.org and then / graphing. Okay, and so you can see that there on my screen. That is the website that you're going to go to. You don't have to go to the graphing section, but if you do, it'll take you right to where the web page is located. And then I had trouble in the beginning when I had it connected to my keyboard, and I had to utilize, if you notice, you can't, what am I pointing for? I have on the bottom left of my screen, I want to use their graphing keyboard, okay? All right, so here's the thing. Let's have, I don't know, I'm going to grab some equations from our book. What I want you to do is not to use inequalities, okay? We're just going to draw the lines. We're not, if you do the inequalities, even though they give you the option, the intersect function won't work. Okay, so I want you to not use the inequality symbols. I know that sounds weird, but who cares? It doesn't matter, right? X is equal to 2. Whoops, that's 5. So backspace 2. So I'm using their little keypad up there, not mine. All right. Y is equal to -2. Oh, let's start over. Okay, X is equal to 2 because it was X is greater than or equal to 2. So just use use equalities. Okay, so how did I get it to enter? I just went and pushed plus. So I want another one. All right, so how about another one? Let's do another one. We got Y, another line. Y is equal to -2. Y is equal to -2. And then I'm going to just go touch it, and it'll give me a third one. So there's the 2 lines. And then I have an equation of y is less than or equal to -2x plus 10. And so I'm just going to enter y is equal. I'm not going to use the inequality sign because it won't work. -2x. It will graph it, but it shades it, and then it becomes difficult to see. Okay, so there we go. There are my 3 lines. And the region, I can actually, I take my 2 fingers, I can zoom in and zoom out using my 2 fingers, or 2 fingers, because if you use one, it won't work. I could scroll around with 1 finger. And now I want to find the intersections, the locations of the intersections. So if you see up under Geogebra, their calculator, there's a little symbol that looks like a circle with a triangle on top of it. If you touch that, you have some tools, and there's one under basic tools that says intersect. So if I touch the intersect tool, I can now go select 2 lines. So I'm going to take the green line, which is y is equal to -2, and I can see that I highlighted it. And then I'm going to go and hit the blue line, which is the one that has a slope, y is equal to -2x plus 10. And I do that, and it puts a point at the intersection. And when I go back to my little calculator section, it actually gives me the value. Now, you don't actually have to even do that. For the most part, you actually might be able to just go and look and see the actual coordinate value for the intersection, okay? But let's just, for chagrins, use the intersect tool again. So now I've hit the intersect tool. You'll notice on the bottom left, select 2 objects. So I'm going to use y is equal to -2, which is the green line. And then I'm going to select x is equal to 2, which is the purple line, I believe. And notice it puts my intersect value right there. And then I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to say intersect is equal to, let's pick the blue line, which is the one that has a slope of -2. And then I'm going to select the purple line, and notice I have my C. So I have points A, B, and C. So now if I go just under Geogebra or Geogebra, whatever that, however that is, I'm going to go to the calculator section, and it shows me where everything is located and actually gives me the coordinates. Okay, so key. troubles I had were related to the calculator. Close it and then go down to the bottom left. I actually sometimes had to lift up my finger to find the actual button for the calculator, and then all of a sudden I saw everything. That's key number one. Number two, make sure you enter in your equations without inequalities. Just use equals. Y equals something, X equals something, okay? Because it'll graph the line, and then you can just use your eyes to find the coordinate. That's one. Or you can use their intersect tool and you can quickly find the intersection there. I hope that helped you. I know that little topic in Alex, the graphing calculator, is no fun and not very good. Have a great day.